Hey guys, let's go for a drive. Today, I want to visit my mom all the way across town. But to get to her house, I'll have to pass through Shape Street. It might be hard to remember all the shapes. Can you help me? Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go. Do you see that? Up ahead. It's Shape Street. Boy, I sure do hope we see lots of fun shapes today. Look at that! Do you know what that shape is called? That's right, it's a circle. Circles are shapes made from curved lines. Look at how round the circle is. It has no corners or sides, just the inside and the outside. Circles go all the way around, like a Ferris wheel. They can roll around too, like balls. Can you draw a circle in the air? Let's draw! What is special about circles is that all the parts are just as far from the center of the circle as all the other parts. Wow, what a special and cool shape! Thank you, circles! Let's keep going! Oh wow! Looks like we're being surrounded by another shape. Do you know what this one is? Say its name if you can. It's a triangle. Triangles are shapes with 3 sides. Let's use our fingers and draw triangles in the air. 1, 2, 3 sides. Hey! What's one example of triangles we can see all the time? That's right, slices of pizza. See, there's 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. Whoa! It's another shape. Wonder what this one is. Do you know what this shape is called? You're so smart! It is a square. Squares are shapes with 4 sides that are all the same. It looks like a Christmas present. Let's draw a square in the air with our fingers. Remember, there are 4 sides and they are all the same. Whoa! Wait, what's happening? There are even more shapes. Can you imagine? There are so many to look at and learn. Look at this shape. It's like a square, but different. Do you know what its name is? That's right, it's a rectangle. It's like a square, but different. It has 4 sides like a square, but 2 sides are shorter. What a special shape! Let's draw rectangles in the air with our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But remember, 2 sides are shorter. That's what makes it special. We can see shapes everywhere we go. There are lots of shapes all around us. Can you think of a shape you saw recently? Circles are round shapes that can roll like balls. Let's draw it in the air with our fingers. Triangles have 3 sides, just like a slice of pizza. Let's draw it in the air with our fingers. Squares have 4 sides and they are all the same. Let's draw it in the air with our fingers. Rectangles have 4 sides too, but 2 are shorter. Let's draw it in the air with our fingers. Thank you for your help. If we look around us, we can see all the shapes we learned today. Let's look around now and see how many circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles we can find. Oh, look! I see my mom's house right up ahead. Looks like we're all done with Shape Street. Thank you for riding along with me. Hope to see you on my next trip. Bye! Thank you for joining us in this episode of Ride Along Learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to I Am Learning to join us on our next adventures. Bye! Far from the center of the circle as
Let's draw. Oblong yung nakita.